What's up, family? This is Caden with Urban Finance, and today we're going to be talking about how to become a six-figure earner. Yeah, earner. That's the word that I'm looking for. And what better time to become a six-figure brother or sister than during an international epidemic? Yes, I think this is the time to be planning out how you can earn six figures. If you haven't already, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's talk about it. Before I tell you the three things that you can do to become a six-figure earner in 2020, just a quick kudos to John Saunders from Black Wallet, where I got this article from, and also Phoenicia Alexander, who was the author. So let's just talk about it. There are three things that you can do to become a six-figure earner. It is no secret in Black communities that becoming a six-figure earner is the benchmark of what success is. It's akin to some like becoming an NBA player. And I think most communities, six figures is probably the benchmark, but for communities of color, it really means that you've made it. And today in the 21st century, it is easier to become a six-figure earner, especially for a person of color, than any other time in history. I will go as far as to say, and I know I'll offend people, including myself, that if you aren't able to earn six figures in your lifetime, it probably has to do with you more than anything else. Now, some people may not even want to earn six figures, and that is okay. I myself took a $25,000 pay cut to go from a job that I liked, really enjoyed doing, to a job that I love, absolutely enjoy doing. I also gave up what was about an $8,000 to $10,000 increase every year to go to a job, and don't tell my boss, that probably won't increase my salary, and I'm fine with that because of this. Because of the first strategy of becoming a six-figure earner is to diversify your income. I had a goal originally of making six figures before I turned 30, which will be May 1st of this year. That is not going to happen anymore. Primarily because I took a huge pay cut to go from a job that, like I said, I liked and enjoyed doing to a job that I truly love. And that is okay. But I still plan to become a six-figure earner by diversifying my income. It's just going to take me a little longer than I'd originally planned, originally hoped. A few ways to diversify your income is to certainly get into real estate. That's an amazing thing. Pick up side hustles. Even side hustles like Grubhub, Lyft, Uber can help you to make that six-figure mark, especially if you already have a full-time job. Investing in dividend-based stocks. That can also help you to reach that six-figure mark. Book royalties can help you make that six-figure mark. There's a lot of side hustles and a lot of ways you can diversify your income to make that six-figure mark. So that's the first of the three ways of how to become a six-figure earner in 2020. Diversify your income. And that is going to be my main strategy to make six figures. The second thing that you can do to earn six figures this year is to start a business. Starting a business is one of the ways that most people probably earn their money, especially their millions. If you want to become a six-figure earner, definitely look into starting a business, especially doing something that you love or like. For example, this YouTube channel, I plan to one day turn this into a cash-generating cow. Is that how the saying goes? I don't know. Whatever. I plan to make at least $20,000 to $30,000 off of YouTube within the next 5 years. Now, if I'm able to do that, I will be able to obviously enter that six-figure category because besides my full-time jobs, I already have side hustles and other ways of making additional income. YouTube is one business. Maybe you enjoy photography. Maybe you enjoy videography. There's a lot of ways you can start a business even if the business isn't your main source of income. So that's the second thing, starting a business. And the third thing that you can do in order to become a six-figure earner in 2020 is get a new job. So I've been at my previous company before I took this massive pay cut for about 7 years. And in those 7 years, there was only one time that I looked for an additional job. Someone said something to me that I didn't like, so I was like, I'm just gonna leave. I don't care to have these battles or arguments. But the job that I applied to, that I honestly did not get, and I was fine with, was making $120,000. And so I was going from making, at that time, maybe around $70K to a job that was making over $100,000, so making six figures. So for a lot of millennials, one way of getting into that six-figure category is really building your skill set and then transferring it for a company that's willing to pay you for that particular skill set at that rate. A lot of times when you stay with a company, you move up incrementally, but when you transfer to another company, they are willing to pay you your full value. Alright family, thanks for watching the video. If you desire to make six figures one day, let me know in the comment section. And as I always say, love you and live your best life.